Hi guys, today tricks and tips, Shuguard. Shuguard is a polyurethane packing material. It's specially designed for to protect the feet of your horse in case it goes barefoot and in case it goes barefoot in the trailer or whatever. It is firm, it sticks to the foot like nothing else, and you can walk with it on gravels or whatever, and it will still stay in the foot. It's not like a shoe, so don't make the mistake that, oh, I use Shuguard so I don't need a shoe. But it's, if you have a barefoot horse and it is a little bit sensitive, you can use the Shuguard. If you have a horse that's normally shoed, but now it has to go barefoot in the trailer to go to the vet or whatever, you can protect the feet with Shuguard. Just like all the other products, take out the cap, I look inside, it looks clear and open. Put the tip on it. I'm gonna squeeze something out, and there it goes in the foot. You know, the problem with this thing is it will take me 2 days to get it out again. And we wait for 90 seconds, and as you can see, it's very liquid, so it divides itself everywhere and it makes a flat surface.